Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take trades with candlestick psychology. This is very good for beginners because you need to know candlestick psychology in order to use indicators properly. So let's get into the video. This is my first trade. So guys, I'm going to explain this trade to you right now, right? Do you know that in the financial markets, a engulfing candle most times give us retracement, right? So I'm looking for a retracement from the engulfing candle, plus I have a market sequence, right? Each time there was one red candle, I saw a green one. One red candle, green one. One red candle, green one. So I'm expecting after this one red candle, a green candle. And this is candlestick psychology, guys. And I'm going to take a couple more trades like this and you're going to see how it works. Okay, and I'm going to explain to on every single trade that I took. And again, I always leave great tips for my loyal subscribers, so stay tuned and watch the entire video. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's find our next trade. Right, this is a beautiful trade right here. As you guys could see, there was a market sequence again. Two red candles, but pay attention. I want you guys to really look good. After each sequence of two red candle, you notice there's a green one, right? Two red, green one, right? So there is two red again. I can expect a green candle, guys. And I want you to really know something. Trading is not only about indicators. Indicators is like 20% of what I look at when I'm trading. Like, indicators are good, but you still need to understand candlestick psychology, right? And this is the reason why I said that if you guys really want to learn this thing and you want me to mentor you, I'm being honest, it's gonna cost you guys if I'm gonna really mentor you, right? If you're really serious about mentoring, you could contact me in Telegram. But hey, this is a beautiful trade. As you guys could see right here, again, this is a market sequence. After a green candle, there is a red candle. Green candle, red candle. Green, respecting red now. And this is what I call candlestick psychology. And you could see the big rejection from the seller, right? That means they entered the market and this candle, but you can't see it because it's on the lower time frame. But you have to understand how the candle moves, guys. Trading is not just indicators. You have to feel the raw chart by itself. You have to feel the chart. You can't just be just taking up indicators straight. No, you have to know what drives the market. You have to know behind the indicators, behind the candlestick psychology, right? You have to know all these things. It's not just indicators. You have to know the market. And this trade is a win. I'm going to explain some more and another trade. Okay, this is our next trade. Guys, I want to take the time out to let you know that the platform registration link will be in the description. You guys could create a free account, and the benefit of creating a free account is that when you trade using my link, it gives you beneficial perks. It makes your trade becomes more effective, right? When you use my link, whenever you take trades, if you're gonna lose, it kind of give you a slight edge, not fully, but a slight edge, because I'm a winning trader. So when you use my link, you become more effective in the market per se. But you still need a strategy though, but it's just a little beneficial if you ask. Anyway, guys, this trade is about to close right here. And this again is candlestick psychology. As you could see, there was a green candle, red, green candle, red. So when the red candle forms, I'm expecting a green candle. I'm going to repeat again. Red candle, green, red candle, green, red candle, green. You see, it's been happening for a while if you pay attention, right? And that's the reason why I took this trade. So let's find our next trade and explain some more. Okay, so this trade again, right here, as you could see, red candle, green, red candle, green, red candle, green. But guys, this is the pro tip for today, right? Whenever you take in market sequence, make sure that the candle you're going against, it has rejection on it, right? When you see rejection on candles, it means that the buyers or the sellers entered the market at that direction, so it caused the market to fluctuate. You can't see the fluctuation because it's in the lower time frame, but I know it's fluctuation because I've been looking at candlestick for the past 8 years. So I know that when I see rejection, it's buyers entering the market. This is the pro tip to take trades with market sequence. If you guys really want to learn trading, as I said, you could contact me for a mentorship, right? But I'm being honest, it's not for free, right? But I have a free course for beginners who just want to test the waters. But if you're really, really serious about trading, you could contact me about mentoring and I will reach back to you. Beautiful, beautiful. This one is very nice. As you guys could see, the rejection on this candle is very huge. You see that rejection? Pay attention. You guys just need to really pay attention to the market, right? Check out how big this rejection is. You see that? That shows me something, right? Then I saw that every time there's a red candle, a green candle, red candle, a green candle, red candle, a green candle. So I took this trade. This is called candlestick psychology. It means understanding the behavior of candles. If you cannot understand the behavior of candles, you cannot trade the financial market no day, no time. And guys, as I always sing, and I will say this again, in order to learn candlestick psychology, I will have to mentor you. And to be honest, my time is very valuable. So if I'm going to mentor you, you will have to pay for that, right? If you want the free course, it's in the Telegram channel, where you could contact me on Telegram for mentoring. So you could go to the highest level, the next level in the big games, the big arena, where you can take $20 to 10,000. That's the kind of arena you will be entering. But that only comes from getting a mentorship from me. And as I said before, it's not for free. I'm letting you guys know that straight up, right? Because I'm not going to sit down with you for weeks teaching you candlestick psychology for free. I'm not a time waster, right? I just want you to know that. Anyway, let's wrap up this session. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in creating a free account and pocket option and practicing this strategy, you could go ahead. I have a competition going on also. You guys could join the competition. It's free for everyone to join. It's just me showing you guys appreciation for your support. And because of that, I created the competition so you could trade and earn while you learn, because you will get the free course with the competition, so you could learn the strategies and apply them in the competition, and may the best trader win. This is a fair competition, so let's see who will come out on top. So this will be the end of the video, guys. I want to say thank you all for watching and peace out.